The most protective part of a paintball mask is the lens, typically made of polycarbonate material for strength and shadow resistance. There are numerous items accessible to mask paintballs, each with various qualities, advantages, and costs. To help you make an informed decision, I did a broad examination, read lots of surveys, and gathered a rundown of the best mask paintballs from legitimate brands. After much exploration, I found these items much more supportive for individuals like you. If you have any desire to be aware of the cost and other data, make certain to actually take a look at my description, so immediately we should hop into the video. Number 1. Zone Motorcycle Goggles Mask. Top of the range material, 100% secure compact TPU masks, body plus mid-proof HDPC lens, to offer you a greater view throughout motorbike, using, snowboarding and driving. Motorbike goggles mask, windproof, dustproof, anti-fog, anti-UV, tactical and protecting goggles for outside sports activities. Adjustable elastic band. The excessive elastic band with adjustable buckle makes it simply to suit extra dimension of hat for males, ladies and youth. Removable and breathable masks gives us snug sporting expertise and nicely safety. Number 2. i5 Paintball Goggle. GSR professional strap, exact stress management, most consolation, and unmatched security by evenly distributing pressure over your head, and patent-pending ratchet strap system. The GSR is a revolutionary step in goggle strap expertise, offering the last word in consolation and efficiency. Toroidal Horizon 290 Diploma Anti-Fog Lens provides you unparalleled optical readability with each vertical and horizontal peripheral imaginative and prescient. Fast launch foam package and speedy lens change, patent-pending foam equipment and lens alternative, assists you to change both in seconds, not minutes, saving you time and making certain you step on the sphere with the clearest, most snug lens and foam possibility out there. Screen multi-directional venting, patented blade angling and elevated vent design, assists warmth and moisture dissipate rapidly, whereas making communication easy. Common heads-up POV mount included, securely connect to POV digital camera, and do not miss a second of the motion. Number 3. Falcon Paintball MI. Excessive imaginative and prescient ultimate visibility, 160 levels vertical and 260 levels horizontal, imaginative and prescient. See the place you are strolling, no extra sprained ankles. Patented fast change lens release system. Double pane thermal lens system with arduous coat lens remedy, fog and scratch resistant polycarbonate development. A goggle that has it all, professional features at an entry-level price. From its inception, the Mi7 goggle was intended to take the abuse of any level of play, from the daily rental fleet grind to the occasional weekend battle in the woods. This goggle offers an ultra-double integrated strap and a retention system for quick lens changes, followed by an optimized sculpted visor for improved ball deflection and shade. Designed by players, for players, all the features you're looking for at a price that won't break the bank. Number 4. Dye Precision i4 Thermal Paintball Goggle. The anatomically appropriate i4 mask system gives the perfect inconsolation for all facial contours. The i4 is examined at twice the present influence ASTM and C requirements. Dye's proprietary twin-stage foam combines open and closed cell foam expertise. Exact blade angling and confirmed venting configuration make the i4 breathable and comfy throughout lengthy days of play. The Dye Precision i4 goggle system is the smallest profile, lightest, and finest visual view goggle system out there. The thermal lens leads the business in optical readability, and gives a distortion and fog-free visual view whatever the climate. The i4 unit's the business normal for anti-fog expertise. The thermal lens gives distortion-free optical readability, and a fog-free visual view no matter climate. Your safety is crucial, nevertheless it doesn't have to be cumbersome. The i4 system incorporates a compression-fashioned earpiece that's mushy, versatile, and intensely lightweight. Number 5. HK Army HSTL Paintball Goggle. Equipped with optically correct anti-fog, high-definition smoke dual-pane thermal lens to prevent and reduce fogging during gameplay. Snap-in-place removable upper and lower goggle foam insert vents spread throughout the goggle to enhance breathability and hearing. Quick change lens retention system. Lightweight design with adjustable anti-slip goggle strap. Adjustable chin strap with comfort pad. Compass of a robust blend of thermoplastic. The design of the HSTL face mask protects critical areas of the user, while still promoting supreme breathability and freedom of movement. The HSTL goggle system features the quick change lens retention system, which allows the player to replace their lens in seconds, without the use of tools.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, to check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.